welcome to a StitchFix unboxing. I am trying something completely mad out, recording a video ahead of time. So if you're watching this on Monday, I'm filming this on Sunday, which is why I am in a rush. And also I look ridiculous. I always shower before I go to work on Sundays. And my hair is never dried properly, so it's half curled and mad. So, my fix this day. I was going to say week, and I think I'm kind of at the schedule where I do 1 or 2 each week. That does not look right. Is all about casual wear that can kind of pull double duty. So I wanted athleisure. I wanted something that I can wear if I have a quick meeting. And get that back out of here. And just same sort of color profile, that sort of thing. Ooh, I have a different stylist because Caroline's on vacation. All right, we will check out our outfits in a mo. Cute. Oh, I didn't even check her name. What is her name? This is Kim. Hello, Kim. Thank you very much for stopping in. All right, we have to start right away here. In a medium, the Thread for Thought Parscarelli Feather Fleece Tunic Pullover. It's very soft. Oh my goodness. It's got what kind of fleece is this called? Is it sponge fleece? Super duper duper soft. Kind of has it's got the fold over detail on the bottom. I accidentally bought a shirt like that once from the Kohl's, and it didn't lay super great on me, but I already bought it and kind of destroyed it, so really quickly actually. So it is very, very soft and a really beautiful color, so I'm gonna give that a go. Oh, that's a low neck. Oh, they don't listen well on the whole no low neck thing. I don't. Meh. All right, Market in Spruce Tarza V-neck knit top, and it is a tank top. It might actually be a fake cap sleeve, and just depending on the way that it fits, because it's very, very boxy, but very booby. All right, we have a pink clover Valencia curved hem pullover. Cute. Looks like it might be a little short, and sleeves might be too, but I'm thinking that the belly is going to be too short. But dreamy soft, pretty thin. So it's knit and stretchy like a sweater, but it is thinner like a t-shirt. Oh, cardigan. Oh, cardigans. Oh, it's color blocked. Interesting. Half and half color block. I was much more excited when I thought there was just 2 cardigan options. Okay, this is the 9 Britain Camilla button front brushed cardigan. So yeah, it is the brushed where it feels kind of felted. But not on the inside. It is not a double brushed. So it's smooth and rough at the same time. Can you see the detail there? Yeah, not certain. So interesting. We'll give it a go. I think if you've seen my videos before, I don't really do a whole lot of color blocking. I don't like my body being broken up any more than she is. Box. Interesting. These are the joggers, which I saw the gray and I was like, cute. And then I have it specifically on my profile that I don't do distressing. like it just looks worn and dirty. I mean, they feel like a nice weight. They're very loosey-goosey. They've got a terry interior. Pockets seem nice and big. Yeah, decent sized front pockets, no back pockets. They just look dirty. I'm not a fan of that. So it's the T for T Carla Burnout Jogger in green. So the burnout effect is in green and then the base is gray. Let's try some stuff on. Okay, cardigan time. This is the medium, so it is a little stretchy on the belly being closed. It does end right at my belly and there's front pockets. The sleeves are nice and long though. And its length itself is actually quite long. And it is $46. And it does not feel like it's worth $46. It feels kind of cheap, actually. All right, so next is what I was like, oh, I think it's gonna be a cap sleeve-ish. Yeah. And like I said, it is not a flattering cut on my body. It has a middle of the body seam, which just, it pokes up off of my body. And then it doesn't actually pull in anywhere that I am smaller. It just boxes. Yeah, and of course it is quite low. So I have a tank top underneath it because it's quite the booby shirt. It is nice and stretchy. So you might actually even, I don't know, if you wanted it tighter, you could size down. I feel like it's something that's supposed to be wavy, but it's, and it is $44. Yeah. Green top is, again, not very flattering. Really cute color. And like last activewear box, we got a long green shirt and we kept that one. And now this one, the detail is actually far enough down that it's not hanging off belly. And the sleeves are nice and long and our ex-emo kid style thingy. Thumb holes. There's no hood, no nothing. It's just a plain dark green olivey top. It's not particularly flattering, but it's soft and it's stretchy. And I don't know, the material and the way it's put together is nice quality. The seams are nice. It just doesn't look super on my body. And it is $58. So I don't know. Like, it's not anything special really, and $58 sounds like it should be wow. I don't know. All right. So the neckline, quite wide, but the length is longer than I thought, which is nice. It does zoop up quite a bit and show a little bit more of the shirt type. So long as you're wearing a shirt, obviously, it will be quite a lot of side butt otherwise. Good length on the arms. Shirt does not move much, which is cool. And it is super soft. It's really cozy. I don't know if it's particularly flattering on me. And because it's wider, I'm in bra strap land. So I'm just gonna leave them out at that point. I think I might actually show my tattoo in the back, which I try to avoid whilst I'm teaching. But it's not bad. It's not the best thing I've ever put on my body. But I could see how it would be really cute with a couple different outfit pieces. Ooh, it's stretchy. Anyway, and it is $44, which is not bad for StitchFix, I think. Yeah. All right, last and least, yeah, are the grunge pants. These are the burnout joggers. They look like really old sweats. They've got an elastic band on the bottom. It's not like a cuff. It's just grungy elastic. And yeah, it's got ties, pretty wide waistband, good pocket length. Like, it's a good depth for your pockets. Trying to think of nice things to say. They're not uncomfortable, really. Like, they've got a good amount of stretch. The details in it could be quite cute if it didn't look like it went through a bog. Oh, it does hold up better if you roll it. Yeah, they'd be really comfy. Okay, they're like slightly too short. How did I have like so many too long pants? And now the joggers are size large and quite short, but still baggy at the bottom, and $44. Okie dokie. So I had to take a little bit of a pause because I was already feeling kind of a little more than disappointed because I felt like I wasn't being listened to, which is a big part of this process, right? So you explain what you like, you show your likes and dislikes, and because I got multiple pieces that I specifically said I don't want, I don't like them on my body, or I don't like them aesthetically, I felt like I wasn't being listened to, and I was trying to think on the positive for that. And then I read the note, because of course each month comes with, you know, a little note, and some of the things that she did mention was that she did see that I said I didn't want some of them, and that she thought it was a great piece and she had to try sending it anyway. And that was really frustrating for me, because obviously if we keep nothing, we still do pay the $20 a month, which is kind of frustrating. But it makes sense because they're putting in the work. But if they're not necessarily putting into that work of finding what you like and setting up the parameters, then I don't like it. I don't think that that's, I don't know if right is too strong of a word, but it's not fair. So it was a bit frustrating to me. And I had to take a day and kind of think about it and talk about it. I looked over the pieces with my sisters and I was like, what do you think? Is this weird on my body? And they're like, yeah, no, those are things you don't really wear. So there was that. So then I thought there were two that I did kind of think were kind of okay. I thought the blue stripe was okay. I could see myself wearing it in a pinch, because it wasn't bad work-wise, it just wasn't super flattering. And I kind of liked the green top, which wasn't very flattering, like really at all. It was like less flattering. And yeah, it wasn't. And that's okay. But it was really comfy, so I was a little disappointed that I got I now have two dark green lounge tops that don't look good on me, but are comfy. So I'm like set for like comfy studying and grading clothes, but I specifically wanted work clothes and athleisure, and I just didn't see that. So I will go over the main cost breakdown. So the whole box was $236. The buy it all discount of buying them all 5 to get 25% is $59. So the order's subtotal would have been $177 to keep it. And obviously, because I didn't like them style-wise and most of them weren't very flattering on my body, I was not going to do so. So I did end up keeping the green because I set a particular budget for each stylist option, and having the flop on the first one and then having her replacement like super flop me, I was like, you know what, I'm good. I'm gonna stick with the girl that's been doing really well for me. I really like her. She's like on the nose when she picks things out, and she references the things that I like, and if she doesn't know them, she's looked at them, which is what I like. That's what I like in the service. So I will show some of the outfits because I think that there are some cute options. I know that color blocking is big and it's popular for a lot of people. So if that's your thing, this is how they style the color block, right? I don't see how it works, but it's kind of cool. And there's a green top. Looks pretty cool athleisure wise. And I think it could look pretty cool as like a casual going out, like a shopping outfit, right? Now, I don't know what they're doing with the mini skirt and the boots on this one, but I could definitely see it with a pair of denim jeans, but I could really see it with a pair of like dark blue trousers and maybe like a white button up underneath it. It would be kind of like a preppy menswear cute. So then the over distressed green pants. Well, I can't make animal print work for me. It bothers me to no end, but it does have a pair with a workout outfit, which is probably what I would wear it with if it wasn't super distressed and it fit well. But it was quite big on me and yet quite short, so wasn't really my thing, but did have cool pockets, and had a comfortable waistline. It was good stitching. It was just too wide on the base and too short for my taste. And finally is the boxy shirt. It just was not the right size or shape for me. It was very drawn up in the front, very low, and kind of turned me into a box. But I think it would look really cute, kind of tucked in or worn with some like tight skinny jeans, you know. So that's it. That's all I have for y'all. That is about as negative as I'm going to let myself get. I had a rocking day teaching and I'm excited to stop and check this out. Look at this big coffee. I forgot my coffee today. So I am having an apple pie latte at one of the local tiny coffee shops, and I'm gonna hang out. I'm gonna do some class prep and drink some coffee and just have a beautiful night. That is my goal, and I hope that you have a beautiful night as well. I love y'all so much. Bye-bye.